bagan oedd yn hydrych uni'r hwy, ha cianw ie edrwmi gianw ffiwyr, Baile môr Qhuebec. Gan y Quebecois, y fwynys gan ddatre chaniel y lehyd awn. Agus, edd la cael ar iarich, gw ceintioch, ha ffaddwch gyn ad yr ialitio, cwlter ladydd, yn da chwyd Canadianoch agus Quebecois. E ffaddwch gyn gyma iorboch. Stylish, datre, agus, y cythfart y flara. Bagan the buzz with hemichels ever nache. Nu has a conhorige La Victoria on the Canada. Agus sin cúteach mar haule eile ithne se cialan ake rishin rioch einigte. Ach anna ski the Quebec iat yn gymorus son a fi anigte falle anna numedoch doi. Agus get the she la sur poploch a haulen sio cúteach ha agus yn anigte mar la patriot. Na'n beig the fémoch ed jarafig son yn cial adar Quebec agus yn Raig ha yn Basilica Notre Dame y Jesu mar yn larach eglwys Sine an y Canada. Cawrys 3 hiad blione van y chai hiad she o hwgal. Ed y milig da hwrys le chaint yn môre agus un hwrys wach yn trídoch hiad blione edash le droch iawn si fo Ku Klux Klan Canada heen. Huas edd balochin in henne Baile ha mi y cwnioch eich ri cwpl afabenoch ein 10 uur in sio bych yn sia blione.
So Billy, tell me about how you first came to live in Quebec. How did that all come about?
I was approached by one of the guys at the shipyard here to run a project for them. And I was on a Friday afternoon. I was in Edinburgh with Morag. And I said, yeah, Morag, how quickly can I get to Quebec? And she said, well, when do you want to go? I said, Sunday. So on Sunday I flew across and I had a discussion, a visit to the yard with the guys and made my decision about the work, but I thought about living here. So I came into old Quebec here and took some photographs of the various areas. I said, Morag, what do you think about moving to Quebec? And we both fell in love with the place and came across. So that was 6 years ago now. Quebec is very like Scotland in a lot of ways. The humour is the same, the love of music, and the politics is about the same as well, you know, so it's very interesting for us. And, work-life balance is fantastic.
Rosa gwe môr an mynd yn atre mas danig sef y gyddoch gysio.
Charo, hygien photographs an de hio heen. Agus chwyd mi le photographs agus bysing brein agus gra sy'n nate aling. Why not? Sy'n man agre. Agus was sy'n y ffydwch yn straat sio heen zo'n fasge siad blianach. Agus y nu ha sy'n ffydwch gydach 10 minuten a cosach van een jaar aardje show. Van mij is het go sy'n ffydwch aan Canada. We, ach, ha een aardje show gyma Frankach.
Agus cymryd o gwt le fi togal y chan an agaf. Efo comys o'ch gwt fi bydyn ymys mynd yn aardje. We. Ha mi brein y hwla fa, agos ha mi fencig, ha mi misga cíl cwlri gaelig agos y Francach. So sy'n rwyd sy'n mô a tachart gwmsa. Agus cwyd eisiau fa colwch eisiau na ddahanig sy'n fynd tosioch, agus y dol y misg y chwrs noch cyn. Céili, agus ha tord môr ciol, agus ha sy'n y dol sgi ang sy giawri. A tor sneach gan y hio. Agus a sy'n cord yr ein glefa. Dawn y sawnri bi sy'n galaf leis le bicycles agig tor môr rwyd machine agus a hiking, snowshoeing.
When I moved here, I decided to take up the pipes again. I stopped playing when I was 18 years old and I decided to pick them up. They were very welcoming and their families, we have lots of social events. And it got me round about the city as well to understand places. So a pipe band was really good for me. And also at work, we've a lot of Anglophones at work. We've tried to capture the best professionals around the world to build icebreakers for Canada. So we are now embarked on that. We have a lot of work, and we've a good community of people around about us there. So.
And how important has a pipe band been for you to get involved in that and in the community?
Incredibly important. You know, we perform way down 300 kilometres down in Rimouski. We go up to Trois-Rivières. We go north to south. So to get to know the area, we tour a lot to various events. We do a lot of work with other pipe bands from Montreal and Toronto and the likes there. We've played big concerts. We've supported Rod Stewart here.
Oh, wow.
We've supported Andre Rieu in the Videotron Centre, 17,000 people. We're doing it again in September, so really looking forward to it. So yeah, it's been fantastic for us to get there, and being the only Scots in the Scots piper and the pipe band, you become a bit of a celebrity as well. So it's good fun.
Yeah, you're proper Scottish.
Yes, I am. Yeah. I've led them astray a few times. Yeah.
Ef son crìoch chud lá ma as a bhaile seo, débear ach blas bí na scíide iachin. Ha dreifad acin, India, rí live if sonar stúdig tron chlar bhí.
Bit of a change is bourguignon, but instead of beef, it's bison. So game is very, very important here. So bison, wabiti, elk, and the likes there. It's really nice. The meat here is very gamey, and the food in Quebec is very seasonal as well.
Ha brot tradition de union chin in toshoch, le cash of lodges agus toast ed uachgeth.
That's you again. I thought you said you were rubbish at French.
Yeah.
It's because you've had some wine.
Hiding away, yeah. It's a beer of wine, yes.
Là, madame, je vais vous porter à la viande juste ici.
Ah, merci
Ça fait bien
beaucoup.
plaisir. Vous avez un ketchup aux fruits maison et betterave marinée.
Oui. Sláinte. Cheers. What do you say in French for sláinte?
Santé.
Sláinte. Sláinte. Bon appétit. Oh, Oh, wow. That is delicious. Magadida, yeah, really good. Very nice.
Well, escargot followed by maple beans, you can't beat it.
Chanel, in ruchgad acin Rachel, biloch caintach mu escargot. Shillachag.
Is this your first time trying snail?
I think so.
That's neat.
I'm just going to pretend it's not a snail.
It's okay. You're thinking too much of it being a snail.
I guess ha maple syrup ed beans na gúlan go hín.
Yes.
Really nice. Taste the maple syrup in it. Yeah.
That was really unexpected. Yeah.
Really good.
Ha chomilish. Ha torgan na bhíag tradiisianta agus sama bochgin ha chin has a gíise go agus mar torhuchan in eile blasad in gama Wáid tór fiol agus seo se bíag a bhí achad son an camaladó trom na geúíon fata agus fuair. Here we go.
I don't even like beans. That's delicious.
That is good.